Yo, what is going on YouTube? Jordvn here. I'm back again with another video, and I'm finally making a video. It's been a while again because I didn't have enough memory to actually record my videos, so I got that all sorted out and I'm back. So today I have an unboxing video for you guys. Now, this company called the Gasper hit me up to do a review on their jewelry pieces, and after I saw how dope the pieces were, it was a no-brainer. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. If that's something that interests you, stick around, cue the intro, let's get it. Alright guys, now let me just do a little disclaimer before I start this video, and that is that if I wasn't messing with this jewelry, I would not do a review on it. Don't think that I'm just doing this just to get, free pieces of jewelry and stuff like that. That's not the case. If it is the case, I will definitely let you guys know. If I just want to do a review on certain things, whether I like it or not, I will definitely tell you ahead of time so you guys don't get it confused. But after checking out this website, like I told you earlier, I love the pieces and it definitely fits my aesthetic, as you can see. So I'm definitely gonna have a piece like this in the video. And without further ado, let me show you the first pieces that I got. Let's go. All right guys, so I did manage to get 2 rings, 3 bracelets I believe, and 2 necklaces. So I have to show you, so I have a total of 7 pieces to go over. And one thing that I do want to tell you about this jewelry that I think a lot of you guys will really like is that it does not irritate your skin. For me personally, that is huge. That's why I wear necklaces like this that don't irritate my skin, because I'm super sensitive to like costume jewelry and things like that, so that's one of the things that I really love. And I'm also a very lazy person, so I don't like taking it off all the time. So it's great that this jewelry is also waterproof, so you can wear this in the shower, whether you go swimming, and don't have to worry about it rusting or fading or anything like that. And guess what? Even if something does happen to this jewelry, they do offer a lifetime guarantee. So if that being said, if that's something that interests you, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for a 15% discount code on your first purchase. And if you don't want to check out the link down below, I'm gonna leave it right here as well for you guys. So if that's something that interests you, use my link, save some money, because who doesn't love free money? But anyways, like I said for the millionth time, let's get into it. Alright, so I haven't opened any of these pieces yet. I want to be, just as surprised to see it as you guys. So you guys are going to be seeing it at the same time that I do. So their packaging is really nice. It actually comes in like a black matte box from all the pieces with like the Gasper logo kind of like etched on there. It's kind of like a 3D effect. It's really, really nice. And I'm guessing that this is a ring. So let me just put this to the side. This is dope, guys. Yeah, so here is the first ring that they sent me. Let me just take it out the box. It's really cool. It's like a linked ring here, and it's in the gold colorway. It seems to be a very nice quality, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one on my pinky just like that. That's definitely an aesthetic that I love to go for. I actually don't own any rings, so I'm definitely happy to have this piece right here. It seems, like I said, very good quality, and it's good to know that it won't turn like my finger green or anything like that while I wear it, and it fits really, really nice. So yeah, nothing too much to say about this other than this is actually a dope piece. I'm definitely excited to have this one here. Let me move on to the second ring and let's see what we got. Okay, so moving on to ring number 2. Now this one here comes in a different box for some reason, but that's all good. I don't mind, having different variety of boxes because I keep all my packaging. But you do get the exact same box with like the Gasper logo etched there. Oh, nice. But this ring here actually does come in like a bag of some sort, and it has the Gasper written right there. So this is another dope ring that I got here. This one here is like a feather, like a looped around feather that will go like all around your finger. This is absolutely dope. This is in the silver color, so it's kind of like a different contrast if you want to wear the 2 rings together or on 2 separate fingers there. I'm probably gonna wear this one on my ring finger here, but I don't feel like putting it on right now because I don't want it to, get stuck on my finger while I'm recording or anything like that. But yeah, this one here just kind of features like a really cool feather that wraps around the whole ring there. Just a super cool touch. Just throw on your finger and, you know, have something a little bit different. So anyways, like I said, this is a ring, so there's not too much to talk about other than the fact that this quality is dope. And let me move on to piece number 3. Alright, so moving on to the next piece here. Again, you get the same black box as always, so I'm not going to go into that again. But this piece here comes in a black like dust bag, I guess you can call it, with the Gasper logo right there on the front. Super nice touch. I always love the little subtle details in packaging. So let's see what we have on the inside here. Oh, dope. I remember this. So this here is like a pearl gold combination bracelet here with the little like Gasper logo. I believe that's what that is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna get a close-up of it, but I'm gonna be honest with you, on first glance this bracelet looks hella small. Like, I don't think that it'll be able to fit around my wrist. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's no way that this bracelet's going around my wrist. Like, it's really tiny. So I probably won't be able to wear this one, which kind of sucks because this is a dope bracelet, not gonna lie. So yeah, it kind of features like pearls going halfway down the bracelet on this side, and then on this side you kind of have like a gold link going down, and then the logo where the clasp is, like I mentioned. Kind of bummer that I don't get to wear this, because I personally love wearing bracelets and stuff like that. So this one I'm gonna have to take an L on, I guess. So yeah, maybe I'll give it away to somebody, who knows. But yeah, all in all though, if you have maybe a smaller wrist or something like that and this interests you, go for it. I don't really know if maybe they have extra sizes and stuff like that. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this one right here, unfortunately I won't be able to wear. So let's move on to the next piece. Guys, so I'm skipping the total unboxing process for this next one because it's kind of redundant, but you do get the black bag here, and this one here is another bracelet. Now let's hope that this one here fits around my wrist, because I really would love to have a bracelet from these guys because their jewelry is dope. And oh man, this is definitely one that I hope fits. This here is like a chain, like a linked chain bracelet, and this one definitely will fit around my wrist. This is a nice one. Oh man, guys, like I can't even express to you how excited I am to wear this one here. So it kind of features like a little like tongle here at the end that I guess you like kind of fit through this hole here to like wrap it around and everything. I'm gonna try to put all these on for you guys and show like on bodies for you. Yeah, so there that is. You kind of like clasp it through this little hole here, which is pretty cool. A little different. I never actually owned anything that actually does that, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so this one here is kind of just like a chain link bracelet right there, like I just mentioned, in gold. And it does have, like I said, the little clasps to put around inside so you can secure the bracelet to your wrist. Just overall a dope bracelet. I'm super excited to wear this. It fits my aesthetic perfectly. And I forgot to mention that I'm going to be leaving the links to everything that I have down below. If any of these pieces that I show you in this video intrigue you, that'll be exactly where you can find it. So yeah guys, this is just a dope bracelet. I'm going to show a close-up of it probably on my wrist or just some b-roll of it. Yeah, really cool bracelet guys. But for sake of making this video short, I'm gonna move on to the next piece. So stay tuned for that. Let's get it. All right guys, so I have one more bracelet to show you guys. It comes in a little small box just like this one. So let's just get straight into the unboxing for y'all. I'm super excited because the bracelets so far have been hella dope, and hopefully again this one fits me. Oh man, this is exactly what I was looking forward to. This is crazy. There's no way that I actually got one of these. This is dope. So this one here is like a Cuban link bracelet with the clasp in silver. And oh man, this literally matches what I got going on, but in a different color, which is super dope. I definitely wanted to pick up a bracelet just like this. So I'm super happy they sent this over to me. So yeah, so this bracelet here is just like a thin Cuban link bracelet right there in silver, and then you get like this lobster clasp right there with the Gasper logo etched right there at the bottom of the clasp for extra touch. Oh man, this is so dope. I'm gonna wear the hell out of this. I'm telling you that right now. This is crazy. And I'm probably gonna go back and grab the other colors that they do have. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I've been looking for a bracelet just like this for a minute now. So yeah, this one right here, I can already tell will definitely fit my wrist. So I'm super excited to wear this one here. I'm gonna show you some close-ups and some B-rolls of it, just to show you that the details in this thing is actually pretty crazy. So anyways guys, that's it for the bracelets. I'm gonna move into the necklaces now at this point of the video, and they're my 2 pieces that I have left. So let's get straight into that so we can make this video short and sweet. So stay tuned. Moving on to the necklaces, and they told me that they were gonna try and match my aesthetic when they sent me these over. So let's hope that they got it correct. Now, from everything they sent me so far, they've nailed it right on the dot. So I have nothing less to expect from this bracelet here. So let's just get into it. Let's see what they sent me. And oh man, no way guys. So and ironically, they sent me the matching necklace, the pearl necklace with the gold. Oh man, now I really wish that other bracelet fit me. That would have been crazy. But you know what? I have the necklace version of it, and I can already tell this is gonna be like a choker just like this, which I'm super all in for. I love that kind of aesthetic, you know? So anyways, let me get into the details of this necklace here. So it basically is similar to the bracelet I just showed you, but this one here actually has like more pearls than gold on it. So you kind of get like maybe like 1/4 of the necklace here in the gold link, and then you get like the 75% in like the pearls there, and then you also get the little Gasper clasp right there at the top, man. Oh man, I'm super excited to wear this this necklace. Sorry, I keep saying bracelet because I'm still kind of gassed that I don't get to wear the bracelet, but it's all good. Don't even worry about it. Yeah. Man, so far, I'm not gonna lie to you, the pieces that they've sent me have been crazy, and I'm super excited that I found a company like this that has such great pieces that they do, and I'm definitely gonna be copying a bunch more pieces from them in the future. So that being said, this necklace here is crazy. I'm gonna show you up some B-roll and maybe some footage of me putting it on, just so you can, you know, check it out, how it fits on me and everything like that. But anyways guys, like I said, I'm super excited to have this one. Let's get into the last piece that they sent me, and let's get it. Alright guys, so the bittersweet moment of showing y'all the last piece. I kind of wish they sent me everything. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's just me being greedy, just because everything here was absolutely crazy. So I'm super excited. Let's see the last necklace that they sent me, and I'm kind of feeling around in the bag to see what it is. I'm gassed right now, absolutely gassed. They sent me like the choker of the bracelet that I just got. Oh man, what a way to end this video. That's absolutely crazy. I'm actually super gassed that I have this. Oh man, guys, so this right here is like the exact same version of the bracelet that they sent me, so that's crazy. So I'll be able to, you know, match it up and everything. So this one here looks like it's about 20 inches. It looks like, at least the one I'm wearing here from a different company is 18 inches, and this one here looks to be like 20, so it looks like it's gonna sit a bit lower on my neck, but I will throw it on for you in a second so you guys can, you know, see what it looks like. I'll show some B-roll footage of that. You do get the lobster clasp right there. Very simple and secure to just put on, very easy, so you won't break the link or anything like that. And you get like the Cuban link, featured links all the way down the chain there in silver, and the weight to it is actually pretty decent, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna like weigh down on your neck all day every day if you wear this chain. And you know what, like I mentioned earlier, they're all waterproof and they won't tarnish or anything like that, so you can wear this all day long without any struggles, which is something that I'm definitely going to be doing a lot. This right here is probably the only piece I wear on a day-to-day basis, but I'm guaranteed telling you now that will change up. So in future videos, you will see me wearing these pieces in future videos, because I absolutely love them. So anyways, let me show you some close-ups and some B-rolls of this, and I'm absolutely gassed to have this right here. But anyways guys, that's the last piece from the unboxing today, and I'm super excited to have these pieces. But there's one thing that I gotta tell you guys that might or might not intrigue you about this company, so let's get into it. Yeah, so the really cool thing about this company, the Gasper, is that they do have something called the Ambassador Program, which is something that's really dope. So basically what it is if you sign up and become an ambassador, you can get certain things like products, cash, and gift cards for completing certain missions that are provided to you. So if that's something that really interests you, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can sign up to the Ambassador Program and learn everything about it, so you guys can get products just like the ones I showed you. For all you have to do is complete some missions. So that's something that's really cool about this brand here, and I'm super gassed. So like I mentioned, if you want to become an ambassador like myself, click the link down below and join the family. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by my video. I finally hit over 200 subscribers, so that's really cool, and I couldn't do it without none of y'all. So I really want to hear what you guys have to say about this video, so leave it down in the comments below, or you guys can hit me up on Instagram, which I'm gonna leave right here for you guys. So that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all.